is too small. I've been drawing a line.
Suku dah berdebar lah. Gigil siut. Oh, so it's like that. Okay, good. Proof lah.
Macam journey back to the past, cik wah.
Journey back to the past.
Merry Christmas, Michael.
Oh my.
Esok perut je aku ni.
So how?
What I feel about Polaroid? Actually, I don't know. I'm just feeling like experimenting of the process of taking this. The picture is not that very great, like the most expensive camera that you can buy in the market. Just that. Well, this is not an advertisement for Polaroid, okay? It's just that I love the excitement when waiting for the picture to be processed. Yeah. What? Oh, what? Okay. This is my newly bought Polaroid camera. Well, it's quite old. It's used, by the way. But it's not that hard to find it on eBay. It's just that it's quite hard to find a deal for the film for this Polaroid. So I have to value the film very much because it will be very expensive and hard to find the film. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.